Hey guys, this is a Zippo tutorial. As you can see, I have my own Zippo. It has my name on it. If you could actually see, I don't know if any reflections or anything is messing it up. Okay, so you open up the lid. This little string on the inside is called a wick. You pull this apart, and that little hole, oh no, that little hole right here, that's where you pour the fuel in. And you put the flint inside this little screw thing. You have to unscrew it first, obviously. I usually, if I tighten it too tight, I'll loosen it up with this, or I'll tighten it with this. And you just unscrew this. This comes out. And there you go. That's your flint. You can even see that. You just put your flint in like this. And you put this in. Some people suggest stretching this out, but I don't want to do that in case I ruin it. Okay, actually, I'm going to show you how to change the wick real quick. You can use pliers, that's what I use. You could probably use like a paper clip or something, but so you pull out this little padding thing and you'll see a bunch of cotton. Now you want to pull out all the cotton, because there's quite a bit actually, with the pliers or whatever you're going to be using. Okay, and there you'll see a little string in there, and that's your wick. So when you want to replace your wick, it's because if it's burnt out. You see, wicks are actually really long, so you don't need to replace it as often. But when you want to replace your wick, you just take pliers. You can pull it out from either side. It's really dealer's choice. And then all you gotta do is stick the new wick in. Make sure it goes in through the hole. Or you can do it from this side too. I've done that before. And then all you gotta do is refill it back up with your cotton, because you want to keep the cotton. Cotton is useful, and jam it down. Put more of the cotton back in, and the cotton's what holds the fuel, if that wasn't obvious enough. There we go. Jam that down. Then you put this back on. If your flint fell out like mine did, you just stick it back in. Put this in too. Stick it down and start twisting it. Crap. Worked. There, you just start twisting it. And if it's not twisted all the way down, then it won't go all the way down in this. Like so. I learned that the hard way, because mine wouldn't close, because my thing wasn't out. Like it would get like it would close, but it would be sticking out way too far. So if you were trying to do tricks, it wouldn't work that well. So yeah, just make sure it's all the way down and tight so it doesn't pop back out. There you go, and then it goes all the way in. And if you close it, open it back up. There you go. That is how to basically Zippo. And some people do tricks like that, and like they have it like this in the end, and it's like on fire, but I don't know how to do that. Well, I hope you enjoy. Bye.